Welcome to our exploration of cryptocurrency, a topic that's been making waves in the financial world. Today we'll take a calm, balanced look at what cryptocurrency really is, stripping away the hype and focusing on the facts. But what does that mean exactly? Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on a technology called blockchain, which we'll explain in a moment. They're not physical coins or notes you can hold in your hand, but rather digital assets that exist purely in the virtual world. Cryptocurrency at its core is a form of decentralized digital money. Let's start with the basics of blockchain technology, as it's crucial to understanding how cryptocurrencies work. Imagine a digital ledger that records all transactions. Let's take a look at a timeline of Bitcoin and Ethereum prices over the past few years. The market is largely unregulated in many countries, which means there's less protection for investors compared to traditional financial markets. The answer isn't straightforward and often depends on who you ask. They often recommend that if you do decide to invest, it should only be a small portion of a diversified portfolio. Some view cryptocurrencies as a legitimate long-term investment, believing in the technology's potential to revolutionize finance. Others see it more as speculation, akin to gambling, due to the high volatility and uncertainty surrounding its future. While it offers exciting possibilities, it also comes with significant risks and uncertainties. Stay informed, be cautious, and always consider your personal financial situation and risk tolerance. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a skeptic, your perspective can add valuable insights to this ongoing conversation. Whether you're considering investing or just trying to understand this new technology, it's important to do thorough research and consult with financial professionals before making any decisions. There's also the risk of hacking and fraud, as well as the possibility of losing access to your digital wallet if you forget your password or lose your device. We hope this information helps you navigate the often confusing world of digital currencies with a clearer understanding and a healthy dose of caution. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy. As you can see, the values can fluctuate dramatically in short periods. The process of mining some cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, requires significant computational power, which in turn consumes a lot of energy. This has led to concerns about the carbon footprint of crypto. This volatility is one of the main risks associated with crypto. They also point to the potential for blockchain technology to improve transparency and efficiency in various industries. Beyond finance, once a block is filled with data, it's chained on to the previous block, creating a chronological chain of information. Some people use cryptocurrencies for everyday transactions, especially in countries with unstable currencies. Others see them as a store of value. Similar to gold, cryptocurrencies are also being used for international money transfers, as they can potentially offer faster and cheaper transactions compared to traditional banking systems. This structure makes it extremely difficult to alter past records, as changing one block would require changing all subsequent blocks across the entire network. Now, picture this ledger being copied and distributed across a network of computers, constantly updating in real time. That's essentially what blockchain is. It's a decentralized system where no single entity has control, making it theoretically more secure and transparent than traditional financial systems. Each block in the blockchain contains a list of transactions. Now, you might be wondering about the practical applications of crypto. While it's still a relatively new technology, we're seeing various use cases emerge. However, it's important to note that the cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility. Speaking of risks, it's crucial to understand that investing in cryptocurrencies carries significant potential for loss. This brings us to an important question. Is cryptocurrency an investment or speculation? It is worth noting that many financial experts caution against putting more money into cryptocurrencies than you can afford to lose. The environmental impact of cryptocurrency is another factor to consider. On the other hand, proponents argue that cryptocurrencies could lead to a more inclusive financial system, providing access to financial services for people who are currently under. As we wrap up our discussion, it's clear that cryptocurrency is a complex and evolving topic. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is still in its early stages, and we're likely to see many changes and developments in the coming years. Now, we'd like to hear from you. Have you ever invested in crypto? What was your experience? Thank you for joining us for this balanced look at crypto.